Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to get more organized with the data you collect from Google Forms, or just make your life a whole lot easier when it comes to sorting and analyzing responses, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll walk you step by step through the process of linking a Google form to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect your form to a spreadsheet, which is a huge time saver, whether you're collecting survey responses, event RSVPs, customer feedback, or just about any kind of information. All right, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to have your Google form already created and open in your browser. If you haven't set one up yet, that's totally fine. You can quickly make a new form by going to Forms Google.com. But for now, I'm going to assume you're looking at your form, ready to collect some responses. Now look up at the top of your form and find the Responses tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where all the answers from your form will show up once people start filling it out. But here's the thing, as handy as this view can be, it's pretty limited when it comes to analyzing or sorting data, especially if you plan to share results, create charts, or run deeper analytics. That's where Google Sheets comes in. You'll notice a little green Sheets icon kind of looks like a spreadsheet right at the top near Responses. Click on this icon. What you're doing here is telling Google Forms that you want to store your incoming responses directly into a spreadsheet. This step is key because Sheets is much more powerful for organizing, searching, or even automating your data management. Now, as soon as you hit that button, Google will give you a couple of options. You can let Forms create a brand new spreadsheet for you, which is great if you want to keep things neat and separate. But maybe you already have a central spreadsheet where you collect related data, or you want your new responses to sit right alongside older ones. In that case, you'll want to select the second option, Select Existing Spreadsheet. Let's choose that option together. When you select Existing Spreadsheet, Google will prompt you to browse through your drive to find the specific sheet you want to use. Take a second here and locate the spreadsheet you want your form to send its responses to. If you have a lot of spreadsheets, don't worry, you can use the search bar up top to type in the name or sort through your folders. Once you've found the right sheet, click on it to select it and then hit Insert. That last step is important, it finalizes the connection. Google Forms will now create a new tab in that spreadsheet specifically for your form's responses. It won't overwrite your existing data, so you don't have to worry about anything being lost or jumbled up. And that's it. From now on, any responses that come in through your form will automatically show up in real time inside that Google Sheet. You can open the sheet at any point to watch responses coming in, analyze trends, create charts, you name it. It's a seamless setup that can honestly save you hours of manual copying and pasting. Plus, if you ever want to share that data with colleagues or teammates, it's super simple to give them access to the sheet instead of forwarding a ton of emails. So there you have it, your Google form is now fully connected to your Google Sheets spreadsheet. In our next part, we'll look at some tips for organizing and customizing those responses. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions or ideas in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.